Hello, everyone. So we're going to talk about basically what's going on, the recent news with Shiba Inu. We're going to discuss a lot of things. We have to talk about what's going on with Tesla, the whole rumor about Tesla, what's going on with Robinhood, how is Shiba Inu helping out Ethereum, and what's going on with AMC. Are they going to also accept Shiba Inu? And then lastly, we're also going to cover basically some technicals. We're going to review like basically what's the price action, what I expect to happen within the next couple of days, next couple of weeks, and where I think it's headed. And finally, we're also going to go over basically my thoughts and opinions of where Shiba Inu can basically 4x from where it is right now. And yeah, like four times from what it is right now, which is kind of crazy. But we're going to cover all the reasons why I think it's doable. And lastly, I'll cover my portfolio. I'll showcase how much I have in Shiba Inu. And basically, I'll explain like if I'm planning to hold, if I'm planning to sell, and what basically like my thoughts and opinions overall. Before we get into it, I just want to emphasize I'm not a financial advisor. This is just for entertainment purposes. Make sure you check out my channel, Your Options Guy. I was actually talking about Shiba Inu well before it started like climbing like crazy. I even talked about like when I got in and why I got in and where I expected it to go. And so far, it's doing really well. So make sure you hit that subscribe button if you're interested in Shiba Inu or in crypto in general. I talk about crypto, stocks. I make how-to videos. A couple of days ago, I basically made a video of how to buy Shiba Inu Coin like a pro using Coinbase Pro. Make sure you check that out. All right, so let's get into it. So the recent news is basically Tesla to start accepting Shiba Inu as payment. Website leak sparks rumors. So basically, what happened was someone actually went to the website and they basically did a control F12, which basically it lets you inspect like the actual like website behind the scenes, like HTML and all that coding stuff. And what this person discovered is that they saw that Shiba Inu, or the word Shiba, was actually listed within the website, right underneath Bitcoin, actually. So it obviously sparked a lot of like rumors, like, hey, maybe Tesla's gonna start listing Shiba Inu, like how they did it with Bitcoin. And Tesla actually hinted last month that they might restart accepting Bitcoin as payment and or other cryptocurrencies. So it's very possible that Shiba Inu might get listed with Tesla. That's crazy news. It would actually make it, I don't know, double from like if it's confirmed, it might make it explode. It's crazy. The same way how like a couple months ago when Tesla actually confirmed that Bitcoin, it might start accepting Bitcoin as payment, then Bitcoin started like rallying. It even doubled like since then. So something very similar might happen if it's confirmed. It hasn't been confirmed yet, but you know, it definitely has the capability of shooting Shiba to the moon further. So now I want to talk about basically what's going on, how is Shiba helping out Ethereum. So there's a lot of trading going on with Shiba Inu, and Shiba Inu is actually built off the Ethereum network. So as more trading happens, the increase of volume actually helps burn more Ethereum. So if you're a Ethereum holder, that's good news for you. Shiba Inu is actually helping you out in a way. So don't talk trash on the Shiba Inu holders because they're actually helping you out. Another thing that basically came out is AMC Theaters CEO considers Shiba Inu as payment. So I believe this hasn't been confirmed yet. I haven't seen any recent news about it, other than like just like a Twitter, like basically the CEO asking, if they would be interested in Shiba Inu, but it hasn't been like officially confirmed. I don't see why not. I don't see why if they can do it with Dogecoin, I don't see why Shiba Inu wouldn't be listed as well. And lastly, a quick update of what's going on with the Robinhood and Shiba Inu listing. So as of right now, this petition has 462,000 signatures. It's getting close to 500,000. When I started reporting this or talking about Shiba Inu, it was back when it was like 200,000. So it's like more than doubled since then. So Shiba Inu is getting a lot of hype lately. So we take a look at some quick technicals. So as you can see, we're over here. We're above this current support of 0.7 or 0.07. Obviously, it's 0.0007, but I'm just using like 1-0 for reference. But as you can see, basically we're like following something very similar where a couple of weeks ago we were in this consolidation mode where basically the price just shot up a lot and then it started consolidating for a little bit and then it had its other upside. So right now we're in a consolidation mode right here. No one knows how long consolidation mode can last. It can last a couple days, a couple weeks, maybe in some years. All I know is that the longer the consolidation holds for, then that builds up more buying pressure, because that basically shows that, hey, this is not dropping, no one's selling, everyone's still holding it. So it's just holding at the current price. So the longer it consolidates, the more people that are not in, they're like, hey, you know what? Maybe I want to buy in because it's holding pretty well. And or maybe some people who are in are like, you know what? I'm going to keep buying because I feel like it's going to keep shooting up from here. So basically, I have 0.089 as current resistance. If we can break above that 0.089, we can see new all-time highs, and who knows how much it'll surge from there. Right now, if we break underneath at 0.07, though, we could see a potential drawback or downside to the 0.05 area. So I have that as the next support. It may even hit around the 0.55 area, but it may continue all the way to the 0.05. The 0.05 will be a key support to look at if in case this 0.07 does break down. This will be a key support to look at, because if it hits that 0.05 and rebounds, then that's basically showing like a more bullish type of price action. All right, so let's take a look at what's going on with Dogecoin. So Dogecoin, still, according to this, it's only about 4 million on-chain holders holding Dogecoin, even though like 82% of the total Dogecoin is being held by like a few key players. But overall, Dogecoin has a pretty big following. Now, the crazy thing is that Shiba Inu, it currently only has, well, according to this, which was updated 3 days ago, it has around 836,000 holders, which is not even a million yet. So if you were to compare Shiba Inu to Dogecoin, if Shiba Inu basically has the adoption as Dogecoin, then this can definitely surge into like the millions, 4 million, if not more, holders, which could potentially cost the price of Shiba Inu to 4x from here, if not at least double. So another big catalyst, obviously, that everyone's waiting for is the whole Robinhood listing Shiba Inu. So as you can see, Robinhood has millions of users, and even if just like at least like 10%, start buying Shiba Inu the second it's listed on Robinhood, it's gonna cost the price to surge even more. Personally, I got in to Shiba Inu when it got listed on Coinbase, and there was so much buying that it cost it to double that same day. So who knows what would happen, if Robinhood officially lists Shiba Inu. One, the announcement will cause Shiba Inu to surge, but then two, like the actual confirmation, like, hey, like Robinhood finally listed like that day of, that could also be another big key day for Shiba Inu to surge even further. So if we take a look at Shiba Inu, it's around the 71 range right now. Compare that to Dogecoin, which is 27. And I've been talking in my videos that Dogecoin is trash now. Dogecoin has struggled so much to break above 30. Like every time it breaks above 30, it just comes crashing back down. I think the days of Dogecoin is soon to be over. Shiba Inu is basically the new thing. And not only that, Shiba Inu has a huge following. However, it can grow even more. I feel like it's not even at the Dogecoin following level yet. So there's still a lot of room to grow for Shiba Inu. If we compare basically like all the different cryptocurrencies, Shiba Inu is basically around number 9 right here, slightly above Dogecoin. So as you can see, it's sitting like around 40 billion market cap. So if this does 4x, which is what I'm basically predicting, it could happen. Then 4x from here is basically 160 billion market cap, which would basically make it like the 4th biggest cryptocurrency, overtaking Binance Coin, overtaking Cardano, Solana, XRP, Polkadot. So there's still a lot of room for Shiba Inu to grow. So one thing that I want to talk about real quick before I showcase my portfolio is that if you're new to Shiba Inu or new to crypto in general, don't expect to get rich like right away. If you put in like $50, $100, don't expect to like be making thousands of dollars right away. That's a bad mentality, and a lot of newbies tend to do this. They put in money and they're like, oh, like when Lambo, like how long till like I start making money or whatever, or how long till like or what price does Shiba Inu have to be in order for me to make this amount of money? If you're asking those questions, first of all, you should know how to do basic math. So take some time, 5-10 minutes, learn how to do some basic math. Like if Shiba Inu is at this price and you have this much tokens or shares or whatever you want to call it, that this is how much you would have. So learn how to do that basic math. Once you learn how to do that, learn to be patient, learn to be, like become like an actual hodler, because you're not going to be a hodler if you just buy in and then try to sell like the next day or the next week. So learn to be patient, and there's been some hodlers that have been here for a couple months, or even some that have been here for like a full year. So Shiba Inu is relatively new. Like I've been in it personally just shy under 2 months, and it's already like 10x my, or actually no, around 6x my return. So it's definitely doing well. I didn't expect it to do this well. However, it's you got to be patient. You gotta be in it, and expect to be in it for at least a couple months in order to see some good returns. Anyway, so lastly, let me showcase my portfolio. So as you can see, portfolio is at 2,500. If you've been following me, you've seen it go from like 450 to 250 to 900 to over 1,000, and then I even hit 3,000 at one point. I'm still holding. I don't plan to sell yet. I've been saying it in all my videos that once it's listed on Robinhood, that's where I might start considering to sell, take some profits. As of right now, I still don't plan to sell unless if like something crazy happens, like personally, like I need to take some money out or something. Then like I'll be like, hey guys, I have to sell it because X, Y, and Z. But as of right now, I don't plan to sell. I've just been holding, and I don't have that much money in it, so I've been able to like sleep peacefully. I don't have like my life savings in here. I know some people are putting like hundreds of thousands of dollars in here, and then they can't sleep. They just keep looking at the price 24/7. I look at this like once or twice a day. So once you have the mentality, you're able to like hold a lot longer. So anyways, that's it for today's video. If you like this video, make sure you give a like. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on future content. I'll be covering any recent Shiba Inu news. Also, if you're into like stocks in general, I'm going to be covering some upcoming earnings like Coinbase and Palantir. So make sure you don't miss out on that. And thank you for watching.